Mm-hmm. I don't have any sprinklers, I'm afraid. Sorry, no sprinklers. All I have is the stream. I have a hose, yeah. You want to get in the hose? I don't know. That's up to Daddy. Oh, man.
Why?
Oh, man.
We got other things we're doing here. What? We don't need to be in this hose.
I want to be on the hose.
Look, Gavin, I am pushing this stuff down into the stream. Because it's fun.
I don't jump in like this.
From up here? Are you sure you won't fall? That's a big jump. I think that's too big a jump.
I think you might hurt yourself because
hey,
of rock.
That's too big a jump.
Yeah, well.
Is it slippery?
Yeah, the rocks are quite slippery, but they can be. Uh-oh. Gavin, look what's coming. Your shoe. Lyle, come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Now, sit. Sit. Go on. Sit down. Sit. No. No, leave it. Well, it's not that. It's that I don't want her to get the idea that they're made for chewing. My goodness. Okay, be careful.
Waiting for me.
Be careful with that. Yep. Oh boy.
So just stay back from the edge.
Or then I'll slice you with my nipples.
You? No.
Daddy, can we put our bathing suits on?
No, not tonight. You're already wet. We're just gonna take your pants off when we get.
Lyle.